Hello, for those of you new, happy 2024. I am Jessica. I'm a certified Zentangle teacher and a full-time nurse. So when I'm not nursing, I'm a full-time content creator here. And I love to share what I consider meditative art. For me, becoming a certified Zentangle teacher, I wanted to help people in any way possible using the art that I share live daily at 7 p.m. Central Standard Time. For some people, this is creativity. For others, it can be anxiety relief, stress relief. It can help with grief, which was one of my biggest things at the time, anxiety and grief. So I'm beginning with 2 orbs. In the Zentangle method, we call circles orbs because it takes away the implication that they have to be perfect, because no one is perfect in any way. And it also takes away that feeling of needing to be perfect or having the perfect circle. So we call them orbs. No one in any of these classes or lives or thereon will ever draw a perfectly straight line. So for me, in teaching this, it's about self-care. It's about the journey to the end of the tangle, and the tangle's a bonus at the end. So it's about you. Are you holding your breath? Are you clenching your teeth? Are you biting the inside of your cheek? Did you bring all the garbage from the day into your, meditative art time, your alone time, whatever you want to call it? For those of you who don't like the word meditation, you can call it whatever you want. But my whole point is, and these are the grabby acrylic fine tip markers, which you'll see linked. I love them because they work great for tangling. So for me, again, it's continuing to do this live and then putting the videos out for everyone to find, kind of helping the world one tangle at a time. And not only that, helping people realize that putting themselves first and understanding how important self-care is really going to change their interactions with everyone else. And for me, it just started to make me feel better. And I started to let go of feeling that I had to be perfect all the time and that my tangles had to be perfect and look like someone else's. So I hope I see you live. All my links are in my link tree. Have an amazing day.